Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I will introduce the Matplotlib in Python. It's a family with the NumPy and SciPy and pandas, and in this category Matplot is using for showing charts and graphs. So when you have a data you can manipulate the data and then show it so human will understand what all the numbers is and how it should look. Let's starting. If you don't have a Matplotlib installed, you can go for the terminal and type pip install matplot, and then it will install it. This can take a little bit time. So let's start. Oh, the console. Import Matplotlib and pyplot. That's what we want to talk about here. I want to make a very simple one, so let's starting with a single plot. A, B, C, D, E, and then we go for the numbers inside. 5, 10, 50, 20, 25. And I want to display it on screen, so I need to say show. And we run it. And now you have your first matplot. So let's close it again and continue. Copy the code and create a new file called sample2. Insert it, and then we are ready to go. What I will show you this time is you not always will accept the default way the Matplot library want to display the graph. So in this case we want to change the title, the top title. Let's say this is a test plot, and then you want to explain the user what is the title, what is your meaning? It is the year or it's the month? What is the data represent? So let's say this is the title to the left. It's your left title. We want to say font size. Let's say we want to say 10, and then color should be orange. We want to use hex code here. And then we want to tell the xlabel title in the build button, font size. We want to display more about this, so we say 50, and the color should be green. You can see I combine both the hex code and normally red, green, blue. It's possible, and you can have more choices. I cannot show all the choices here, so let's go for the test. Now you can see title to the bottom and title to the left, two different sizes, and we tell this is the test plot. So if you send this to a chef or to marketing people, they will give more make sense what the plot is. So let's going to the sample number 3. This is more advanced. It's how you can build more plots, change the line style, change the marker size, and yes, in this way. So we want to import the Matplotlib again, and I need random import too. It's nothing to do with the Matplot. It's just because I want more plots, and I don't want to spend too much time to type all the numbers down. So I'm a little lazy here, and we want to reuse the labels, and I type 10 labels down, the 10 labels here, and now we need to build it. It's getting from 1 to 101. We copy this 4 times, and this from 200, 100 to 200 to 300, from 200, from 300 to 400. If we print it out here, all the numbers should be available to see. Yeah, you can see all the numbers. X. And again, now there's a number for everything. So let's removing our test code here. Continue. We want 4 plots. So first one is labels, and the next one is the number. And whoops, I forgot to show the plot. This is a plot with 4 numbers. Of course, we can it can overlap each other, but now I need to show you how the all stuff working. So in this case, that's how we do it. Let's starting to change the labels first. It should be 1 to 100. 100 to 200. 200 to 300. And 300 to 400. And the label, you cannot see that. It's because we need one little piece of code. We need this legend. And if we run it again, now you can see it. Try again. It's here. You can see it's defined randomly. But it's fine, we have the labels. So the next one is we want to change the color like we do before. So let's say color, we use M, is maroon, it's a red color. And I want to say the color here is blue. And the color here should be red. And here we want to orange. Yes, everything's fine. So the next step is the first line. I want to show this is a default line. The second one, I want to change the line style to dashes. And the line height should be the line width, should be 2. The default is 1, so 2 is a little bit more bold, and if we're going lower, it's thinner. So let's going for the red one. We want to say line style should be this one, and we need marker on this, should be D. D is a dot, and now we can change the marker size. We want a little bit bigger marker here. And the last one, we need to, should we say the line start should be none? This one is not allowed. We need to send it in with a string. If you send none to it, it will reset it to default. So if you send a string with none, it's meaning you want to hide the line. It's very important if you want to hide it. So yes, we want to say the marker should be Dutch and the marker size should be 6. It's very big. So let's test it again. Yes, you can see it here. If I make it a little bit bigger, you can see this one. It's the red line. Should not have. Ah, sorry. Yeah, maroon is it's X. Okay, just a second. I can explain. X, Y, Z. Yes, this way. Now I have the right way. This is our default line. It's the X. 1 to 100. Then we go from 100 to 200. We will say it should be blue with the dashes as line. We want to say the line width should be 2, so it's a little bit thicker than the other one. Then we have the red one. We say it should be dot with the marker. The marker size should be 3. And for the last one, we say it should be orange, but the line should be hidden because we don't want to show the lines. And the marker should be 6. So this is the basic about Matplotlib in Python. I hope you can use it. If you can use it, please subscribe my channel and get more videos. Give it a like if you have any kind of comments or questions. So please make it comments below. I hope you want to subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you next time.